Yo, what's good guys? Another YouTube video when I'm not shirtless. Freshly cut ham, okay? Hams, you will need hams, you will need onion, you will need lettuce, you will need Olive Garden Italian dressing, and then okay? Like that. That is what you will need for the perfect naan sandwich. So, I know what I'm doing, okay? First thing you will need is a pan. You will need a flat pan to cook said naan. You will also need a oil of some kind. I use olive oil, okay? And you just sprinkle it on so it lays on the bottom of the pan. See what I mean? Flat pan for the naan. Mash it up, mix it up, and it cooks, okay? It cooks. Grab some pickles, okay? Pickles are good. Yeah, so that's gonna cook, and on the onion, right? Look at that. That is some good onion, okay? So you cut it. Edges are right there. That is, take it, flip it. It's a little burnt, it's okay. Then this is exactly what you want. So we got some pickles, okay? Just like a couple slices. And then we put our lettuce in. Oh yeah. And then we've got onions. The world's first man-made naan sandwich. This ambiance of food. Hit me up in the comments, be like, J-Train, loved it. Comment, like, sub. Love you guys. See you later.